So you want to know what your calorie deficit should be during body recomposition. Well, you're in luck because I'm going to answer that question right here, right now. What's up? I'm Sawyer with Resurrected Body Recomposition. You're gay. As usual, I'm going to film this video without any cuts, edits, a script, images, colors, pictures, graphics, music, naked guys, naked girls, because I am not a fag like everybody else who likes to poison your brain. You're welcome. Thank me in the comments or something. Now, my fridge is making noise over there. I have to go fuck it up or something. What should your calorie deficit be during body recomposition? This is one of the better questions I have gotten, because you already know that you should be in a calorie deficit. If you already know those two words, you're ahead of like 99% of people. Most people are retarded. They don't even know what calories are, what a calorie deficit is, what a calorie surplus is, what your caloric maintenance is. None of it. So the fact that you know those words that's a good start. That's a good start. So, to answer the actual question, what should your calorie deficit be during body recomposition? Now, everybody's different because everybody's body is different. But if you've watched any of my previous videos, you've heard that step one, I always say you should be in a slight calorie deficit. 100 to 200 calories per day. That's what I always say. Or some people can get away with eating at their caloric maintenance per day. So, that's the answer. I would not go much over 100 or 200 calories. But you might be different. Right? You might be super fat, like 500 pounds, and you could probably get away with a bigger calorie deficit. So you kind of have to test it out. I give you good benchmarks to start at, but everybody's different. So you're going to have to kind of tweak it to find out where you should be, what works best for you, where you see the best progress, etc. That's the answer to your question. In general, I would say a 100 to 200 calorie deficit. But you might be an outlier. You might be able to do a 500 calorie deficit, if you're super fat. Or you might be able to get away with eating at your caloric maintenance every day, if you're maybe a bit smaller. Everybody's different. You got to test it out. But that's what I would say. Slight calorie deficit. Slight. 100, 200. Right around there. So this was a bit shorter video. I got straight to the point. And I think that's because my camera is about to die here. It's at 30%. I've been filming videos for probably a good hour now. I got about 3 hours of sleep last night. 2.5, 3 hours of sleep. Because I was up all night watching the fucking election, baby. I'm filming this video November 6, 2024, after my boy DJT just won. Although he does, he has some problems. He's got some Israel shills in his administration, Israeli Jewish billionaire donors. There's some fags in his admin. So we're going to have to see how this runs here. We're going to have to see how it goes. But I have hope. And anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you didn't, you're a fag. And you can fuck off. You probably voted for the stupid cunt Kamala. How Trump says it. Kamala. So. But if you liked the video, respect. You probably voted for DJT. That's my boy. Respect. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go eat some, I got some Taco Bell in the fridge. Sue me, Jeff Nippard. Sue me, Cavalier. Fuck you. I'm older. I'm wiser. I've been doing this longer than you two have been alive combined. So get fucked. I'm gonna go eat some Taco Bell. Maybe have some sweets. What are you gonna do? Right? What are you gonna do? The fuck are you gonna do? Doesn't matter. You can eat what you want. If you want to learn how to do that, feel free. I'm not pushing or anything. It's feel free if you're so inclined. Click the link in the description. You can get my free ebook. Or you can book an appointment with me for free. Just saying. If you want to learn how, I'm your guy. If you want to look completely different in a few months, I'm your guy. But, yeah. You don't have to. I'm just offering. Because I'm a sweet guy. Alright? I'm a sweet guy. And it's just a one-man operation here, man. I'm just running things myself. So all of the emails that you'll get, they're from me. I send all of those out myself. If you choose to do a meeting, it's going to be with me. Because I'm the only person running it. We're on the grind. So, yeah, anyway. Hope you liked the video. I think I said this shit already. Yeah, I'm going to skip that whole thing because I already said it. Sawyer, me, with resurrected body recomposition. Love you guys. Peace.